check out our newest feature release, direct posting for TikTok. Our CRM now offers seamless direct posting for personal TikTok accounts, eliminating the need for cumbersome workarounds and enabling stress-free content sharing. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. This is going to allow you to experience stress-free TikTok personal posting directly within our CRM. It's also going to allow you to customize, create, and schedule your TikTok content at your convenience for maximum engagement. This will also allow you to enjoy better analytics, track post performance much more effectively than you ever could before. To access this feature, you first need to go to the settings section. I'm actually going to show you exactly where to integrate TikTok first. From there, you're going to go to Integration, and then you're going to locate the Connect TikTok button. Once you're done and you're all set up, you're going to click the Go Back button, and now you're going to access the Social Media Planner. Go ahead and click on Marketing, and then go to the Social Planner in the upper navigation and click the plus New Post. From here, you're going to need to make sure you select your TikTok account. You're going to create your content. You can create posts, stories, and reels. You can actually save for later, or you can post now. When you go ahead and post now, you have the ability in the drop-down menu to choose Post Now, Schedule Post, Send Post for approval, Schedule reoccurring posts, or you can simply delete. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.